It is so pretty. Wow. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Katie. I'm currently a Salesian Lay missioner in New Jersey. I did 2 years of mission. I did a year of mission in Cambodia, and now I'm doing a second year of mission in New Jersey. And I just wanted to show you guys some things that I recently just got in the mail. I know I haven't really been filming, I've just been super busy, but so I got some exciting things in the mail and I wanted to show you guys. So I did get a new car. I posted a video a while ago about getting a new car, and with that car it has SiriusXM, and my free session expired, and so I kept getting things in the mail like discounts to get SiriusXM, but then I was just like, no, I don't really need it, I'll just use my phone. But then on Thursday, I got another letter in the mail from Sirius saying that if you get $5 a month for SiriusXM, you can get a free Amazon Echo Dot. And I wanted one of those. I've wanted one of these for so long. And when I saw free, you know, free for me, I love everything that is free. When I saw that I could get it for free, I was like, I have to do it. And $5 a month for music in my car is like really good. So I just got it in the mail. And I thought I would open it with you guys because I was so excited. I always wanted one of these. I was actually gonna get one for Christmas, but then I told my mom about the deal and I said like told Santa, I said like don't get this for me for Christmas because I'm gonna be getting it for free, and then it was just an awesome deal. So they gave you like a little promo code and then you can get a free Amazon Echo Dot. So that is what I did, and I'm gonna open it for you guys. It came in the mail and I'm super excited. Before I show you guys that, I just want to say thank you so much for just like the growth of my channel. I did recently just get my first YouTube paycheck, so if you guys want a video about how that all went down, I can totally make a video explaining the paycheck. But my recent videos of me unboxing my iPhone just hit 21 or 22,000 views, which is literally insane. It's just crazy to think that that many people have watched that video. So I just want to thank you. If you're one of those people who watched that video and left a comment, I just want to say thank you. You guys are the reason why I'm making this video, and you guys are the reason why I made this channel. It's just your support is just so grateful. I'm just so grateful for your support. So yeah, so I thought I would unbox this for you guys and show you guys what it is because I am so excited. So this is the Echo Dot. I got the like the sandstone, like the white one. I didn't really like any of the other colors and I wanted something that was lighter, so I just got the white one, and I'm just super excited about this. So there's like a little sticker. It is so pretty. Wow. Guys, this is so nice. So it's just the Amazon Echo. I think I'm gonna set it up here. I really debated on whether I wanted to send it to the place that I work or to my home and then have it just set up at home, so when I finish mission I always have it at my house. But I decided to send it here, and yeah, so now I can use it here. But this is so nice. I have no idea how to use it or do anything with it, but I got the sandstone color, so it's just the white one. And I just wanted to show you guys. So this is the Echo Dot. It comes with the dot. And what else is in the box? Probably the wires to plug it in. Things to try. I will definitely need that because I have no idea how to work this. And then it comes with just this cord to plug it in. So it looks like that. And yeah, so I'm gonna probably play around with that later. I just wanted to show you guys. And then the next thing that I wanted to show you guys is, you guys know, if you're a true fan, you know my phone case addiction. And I just partnered up with this company to get a new phone case for free, which I am super excited about. And so that also just came in the mail. It is the company Ringke, so it's like Ring and then KE. And they had a ton of phone cases to choose from, and so I'm going to show you guys the phone case that I chose. If you guys know, when I did what's on my iPhone, I did my Apple phone case, so I ended up switching back to the clear case, which I really like a lot better. It's just more protective, and I just like seeing the white. The green one, it was just a weird texture. I'm not used to Apple phone cases, so I just really didn't like the texture. I'll really switch all the time, but I just switched back to that. And then I got a pop socket when I went shopping at the mall one day. because I like pop sockets. And the phone is so big. I'm not used to having a really big phone, so I really do need that to keep it in my hand. Let's see. You guys know I never plan ahead for opening boxes on my channel. I don't have any scissors or anything. Okay, I'm gonna open this again and I'll come back. Okay, so I finally got it open and I'm gonna show you guys the case. It just says thank you. It says, dear Katie, thank you so much for your support. Ringkey is thrilled to collaborate with you and I hope we will have many more opportunities in the future. So I was just really excited to get this email because sometimes when you have companies contact you, you never know if it's like a trusted company, but this was so smooth. It was so easy. Oh wow, and they also give me a screen protector. That's really, really cool. I already have a screen protector, but I know that if I crack it now, I have a backup, which is super awesome. And the case just looks like this. This is the packaging it comes in, and you just, it's like ASMR. You just open it up from the bottom. They had a ton of different cases. This is the one that I chose. It's just such an easy process to get this phone case. 20% off. Yeah, so this is the phone case I got. It is just this black matte with, as you guys can see, it has some lines and then it has little bumps on the bottom and like this, and it has gold buttons on the side. So it's like flimsy and stuff, but I'm super excited to try this out on my phone. It feels really, really nice. It feels really strong. It doesn't feel like a cheap phone case. So I'm super excited to try this out. So I just want to say thank you for contacting me and reaching out to me and allowing me to get a free phone case, because you guys know my addiction and you guys know that I don't make a ton of money being a missionary. I don't make the normal salary that most people do. So it's really awesome to have companies reach out to me. So thank you. Yeah, so that is everything that I'm going to be doing in today's video. I don't really have anything planned. I just got back from serving at a soup kitchen and that was really cool. We went from 7 to 12, and so I just got home and then I really wanted to film for you guys and show you guys the Amazon Echo Dot and my new phone case. So I will be making another video kind of explaining me making money on YouTube. So if you guys want to see that, leave a comment down below and let me know that you guys want to see it, because I'm not going to make it if you guys don't want to see it. But I think it's really cool to kind of get my first paycheck from YouTube. So if you guys want to know that process and how that all worked out, let me know in the comments down below and I will definitely film that for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. A lot of new videos are going to be coming soon because I'm actually going home for Thanksgiving. So on Tuesday I'll be leaving for Thanksgiving to see my family. So I'm going to be filming a ton more because I won't be in school and I'll just be back at home. A lot more videos will be coming soon, so stay tuned for those when I go home for break. So thank you guys so much for watching this video and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.